Yo, so we have, what's this? HAF-700 is the Berserker case. Yes. So first of all, we'll open this up to its unbox. Yeah. All right, let's go. Okay, that's enough. Handy. We got this. Rambo. Eh? Rambo, you know that guy? Is a Rambo. Have you guys watched that movie before? Alright, let's see. That's for sure. Okay. Alright. So we got HAF-700 inside you guys. Okay. Technician, need help. How do you open this? Oh. Okay, anyway. Oh. Okay, now we open. Can we bring the camera over, please? Okay, put this on this one. Right, so when we first start, we'll see. We got this guard, bubbles. How do we open this? Right, this case, can you see here? It's massive. Right. Let's open it. Leave it on the floor for a second for now. Look at this. We've got a designer by the cooling master. We've got more. What's this? Cooling master. Make yourself. Interesting. Let's open it. Let's see. So we got the menu. Yeah, that's no bubble. Right, so we get a spicy part. So this is a case. It's massive one. We got 3 fans, 3 small fans, and 2 big ones. Can you open it? Right, that's technical. That's technical. Come on.
This is not a thumb screw. I can't open it with my thumb.
Right.
That means you need a screwdriver. Or
No work? Nope.
wait.
That would do, that would do, that would do.
Now it's a thumb screw.
Okay. This is spicy.
It's metal.
So the metal top. That's nice.
That's all you got, mate.
Okay.
Oh, temper glass.
Temper gas.
Heavy.
Okay.
We don't need this.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Don't need it either. Don't need it. Don't need it. I think that's how you did it. No.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh. Very nice.
Two big fans.
Two big fans. Oh,
200 mil.
200 mil.
Actually. Let's turn this over. That's it. See how you go after we fit it.
Okay, that's how we do.
Oh, there's one more thing.
There's one more thing.
I think people already did that, but we'll just do one more go. I think people already did this.
Interesting, interesting.
Very unfortunately, Cool Master designed all this for the vertical mounting GPU. For this price, £350, they don't even give you a vertical mounting bracket. No riser, nothing. That's all we get from the box in UK.
Okay. We know that. Now we don't know that. So, is this worth it? How much was it?
Don't know. I think this one should be worth £250.
£250.
Unfortunately, they didn't give you all this stuff, supposedly. They actually should give you all the things that ready to feed or they not
Oh.
but because they didn't give you that, but it does give you a very easy fitting with all this Anyway, that's it. That's it. That's all you get.
Thank you guys.
Nothing else.
See you soon.